Now this one, when you first see it, it's for Ford. It's what we call the new the high security or the laser cut key. So this is a remote head key. It's a flip key. So you push the button. So this is a blank. It hasn't been cut yet for the customer. When you look at some of the other Ford remote head keys, there's a little slider. You just slide it and you get at the battery. So we're going to change the batteries on this battery. Flip out the key. Now it's really, really hard to see here. It's right in the little tab. There's like a little, we got to put our screwdriver in there so we get a flathead. So you just get in there, and what happens is we're taking the plate off. So it's a little bit easier to see in here. But what I'm doing is I'm coming down in here and forcing it, just not very tough, just clipping it off. And the battery, again, very popular, good batteries, a CR2032. Just a little flip it out. That's all there is to it. Not too much. Now the inside cover shows a plus there, so you know plus up. But you also know these, when you put the little button battery back in, just the contacts there. So again, he has a CR2032. So again, putting it back together again, just clip it in there nicely, holds good. So it's a Ford, this is a Ford 4-button Ford remote head key. It's the high security or the laser key. So it's on there, yeah, and you get right in there. You'll see a nice little tab there. Just gently give it a little push open. And that's all there is to it. You can see where we're coming down here to sort of, just give a little twist to get her off. So I hope this video helps you. It's one of the more difficult, not really difficult once you know, but the first time seeing it, it throws you a little bit. So again, this is for the Ford. This one's actually for an F-150. It's for, what year was this one? Was it 2015, 2016? 4-button, remote, Ford, flip key, high security, or laser cut, sometimes they're called. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.